Good morning, everyone. This is Amanda at Jensen's Deep Run in beautiful Cream Ridge, New Jersey, and it is a gorgeous February morning. It's Tuesday, February 13th, and today I just wanted to give you a quick look at what our on-site maintenance crew has going on today. So Deep Run has on-site maintenance Monday through Friday in addition to professional on-site management. And they perform all different types of things. They are busy throughout the day, busy throughout the week, but today we have some tree maintenance going on. So Deep Run is very heavily wooded. We have a lot of trees in the community which are beautiful throughout the year. They provide privacy and value to us here, but of course there are times where we need to do a little bit of maintenance, and that is what we have going on right here on Cranberry Drive. This is right off of our 539 entrance, and we have our grounds foreman Bob, our maintenance member Mark, and we've even got community manager Jim out here. Everyone's coming together to tackle this big beech tree, I believe. So cover your ears if you have to, it's a little bit loud. Guys, just a really quick video, and again, our maintenance guys are busy throughout the week. They do so much to keep our community beautiful and clean, and I just wanted to give you a quick look at, something that they might be doing on any given day. If you'd like to learn more about our community, about Jensen's Deep Run, you can call us at 609-758-7180. You can visit us Monday through Friday between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. or on Saturday 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. as well. Or you can visit us online at www.jensencommunities.com. All right, thanks so much for checking out our video, and we hope to see you in person. Have a great day. Bye.